Well, guys, I've been fighting a nightmare for me. Oi, oi, oi. Just to get in there, I didn't realize how much bowl I was going to have to do. But you can see, yeah, I think that's the original voltage regulator, and I don't know if you can make it out or not. But, come on. See how it's, there, try that. See how it's, I'm going to take it off anyway. You can see it's broken. But I could there was like a mouse, this is where I said the mouse nest. I inadvertently said the grill. I don't know why I said that in the last video, but see, I got one wire is totally dead. I don't know what he had it going down there. I think that was a factory voltage regulator, so I got to go through the wiring a little bit yet, but I got it to crank. Still got no spark, but now I got power to the coil. So I think I got a bad set of points or something. So let's see if I can do it with my hand. Let's see there. This is the original key switch. I went back to that one. So I called my friend Joe that owns a shop nearby. I'm going to see if he's got a set of points and condenser and the proper key switch for it, so I can get that sorted. And I wound up having to disconnect the safeties, like Danimal said, because I thought I pulled this out. Damn. I thought I pulled this out. But as you can see, I actually pulled it out of the, well, here, since I can't get it to focus, I can't work it with one hand. You can see how so I cut it and I spliced it together. The same thing with the neutral safety. So, as you can see, I'm getting somewhere. But, to get that battery box out to clean all the walnuts and what's left of a mouse nest was a nightmare. And see, you can see tires need tubes. The factory one is that one. And that's one from that GT we had laying around that has a tube. So, and I got the lights to work. I don't know what's up with that giant thing he's got back there. I'll probably take that off and make your factory one work again. But at least I got it, the solenoid's good and not bad, so that's somewhere. Whew, I'm tired. And I'm friggin' snowed. It wasn't worth really using. I should have used the Suburban just to try it, but I wanted to get this going. So Dad took one for a doctor's appointment, so I'm gonna figure that monkey with it. My back severely needs a break. But so far, it's gonna be a bummer to put this thing back together. I had to take the dash bolts off in the bottom to get enough room to get the bolts out of the battery tray, and then I didn't realize the battery tray, the belt tensioner was welded to it. Ugh. This thing is a nightmare compared to this 10 to work on, because the 10 I can get my hand in enough. Even in spots in there I have trouble, but this one's a bitch. But at least I'm closer to getting it running, because the guy said it wouldn't do anything, so I'm already ahead of the game and the headlights work. And so, got that much further too. Alright, I'm going to take a break and enjoy some rest and surf the internet a little bit. Maybe I get an answer on something. Alright. Now Rooney's going to have to bring a trailer if he wants to come up here. He'll probably try to take this one too.